nga ang atong estado ay magbago inang wala siya nag-recognize ang same-sex marriages. Kaya ma-defeat ang primordial purpose sa marriage to procreate. You know, your unity, ang inyong pag-unite sa isa kag-isa in the form of sexual intercourse within marriage will create a very, very amazing human being. Of course, no? Siyempre, no? Ang bata ninyo, amo na resulta sa inyong unity. So, unity for procreation and unity in all aspects. There would come a time na may mga diskusyon, no? may mga hindi pa inintindihanay, but in the end you have to remember that you should be united in terms of decision making. Hindi pwede, hindi pwede. Kuya, kaya ako din lalaki. Padre di pamilya, kuya. Ako niya nga gusto ang matuman. Kung siyo kasi mo asawa. Kaya kung ikaw lang ang permi matuman, hindi na unity o to. That's already disunity. And kung ikaw asawa o to, outside ko lang, bukod ka ron, sige, hindi pa tumana ang akong gusto. Ito sa gate, ibagid mo gina sa pader. Ano man ibagid mo? Ibagid mo gina sa pader. No, that will again create this unity. So, creating this unity in your married life will again create failure in your marriage. So for me, the most important formula of marriage is number 1, independence. Second, loyalty. And third, unity. But of course, if you have time, you read Ephesians 5:21 to 25. Dira ginasaysay ang anong obrahon sa isang husband, ang obligation sa husband sa iyang wife, anong obligation sa wife sa iyang husband. Husband, you should what? You should love your wife. And like just like Christ loved His church and gave Himself to that church. Wives,
submit to your husband.
Submit yourself to your husband. But that submission should not be a blind submission. Hindi nga po sila isang bana mo, binumpat din. Lumpat alin sa, no. Submit mo sila ni judge, malumpat. No. Because we supon, submit yourself in the Lord. In the Lord. So, ko ano prinsipyo nga naayon sa prinsipyo sa Ginoo, then you submit. Pero kung ang prinsipyo, yan ang ginapahimo, kasi mo hindi naayon sa prinsipyo sa Ginoo, do not submit. Don't submit. Did you get my point? And then, of course, Proverbs 22:6, train up a child. When you will have children of your own, it's very important to train up that child in the way that he or she should go. So that when he or she is old, he or she will not depart from it. Now, I hope na malipot mo ito, kala ko nagabukal na ang madaling nalaga ninyo ito. So, and I hope that you have been enlightened and blessed by this short homily of ours. So, makakalto na kita sa atin nga proper by